Alright, y'all tune back in with Chef. Today we doing a homemade barbecue sauce. I showed my son today how to make a barbecue sauce from scratch. We're going to let it reduce down, thicken up a little bit. And as you see right here. Yes, indeed. Yeah, that's that meatloaf. We finna smoke them for about 4 hours. Trust the process. You know that we about 3 hours in. I'm just starting to put a good glaze on them. Then the sauce work in with the smoke ring, you heard? Finished product coming soon. Here's the finished product, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. I had to switch out containers. Well, the pan. And he broke on me. But it's alright. It's alright. We gonna make it do what it do. And I got some more green beans. Oh yeah. Got a little sauce that I'm gonna put down up on the mashed potatoes. And yeah. That's the mashed potatoes right there. Oh yeah. It's coming soon, y'all. Just wait. Alright, y'all. Here's the finished product. It's a turkey and chicken smoked meatloaf. As you can see, I gotta work on what I'm gonna add to it because the fat rendering content is not there. So, you know, turkey is a lean meat. The chicken, ground chicken, didn't have much fat to it. So, there was a little rough run. But we gonna make it right, but guess what? It's still gonna get ate. It's still fire. That thing still sliced like bread. It's still juicy inside. So why I ain't gonna eat it? Man, y'all can laugh if y'all want to, but I bet you one thing. Mr.Ssippi gonna be full, yeah. Indeed. Alright, y'all. That's the finished product. That's roasted garlic, mashed potatoes, in I want to say barbecue cheese sauce I try to create. That's the chicken and turkey, meatloaf, sauteed green beans. And like I told y'all, it broke on me. Yeah, because you know I'm using more healthy, friendly products. And I got to learn the consistencies. But y'all, if you follow my page, you know once I lock in, I lock in. And there we go, y'all. One more look at them. Hey, it ain't the best, but I sure fixed them up nice. You gotta love that. As y'all can see, I usually don't do this right here. You know, I usually get full. Hold on. I usually get full while I'm cooking. I usually show you my wife and my son plate. But tonight, I wanted to try this meatloaf, man. This is a turkey and chicken. Ground turkey and chicken is that meatloaf. I know everybody else usually use, you know, beef. But I've been on a journey away from traditional meats, trying to be more healthy. And I hadn't made one of these in a while. Like I said, it broke on me. As you can see, it's still working. And then a little barbecue cheese sauce situation I made. It actually pairs with the meatloaf nice. Oh man. Oh yeah, y'all gotta excuse me. That's what I was looking for right there. That's it, y'all. I'm out. That's what I was looking for.